Okay, what am I seeing here? WhatsApp web multi-device beta. Oh my god, what is this? Okay guys, welcome back on IQcodec to this new tutorial video. Today we are talking about the latest release feature of WhatsApp web, which is actually called the multi-device. So in the video tutorial today, I'm going to show you what this feature is all about, what you should know about this feature, the pros and cons, how to be eligible to use this feature, the cons of this feature, how to use it, how to enable it on your Android and iPhone device. So after the video introduction, let us talk about WhatsApp web multi-device beta. Buenos dias, IQcodecians. I am Fabrice and I'm going to be a video instructor of the day. So the latest release of WhatsApp actually comes with a new feature called the multi-device beta, which is still in the beta phase, but it's already pretty cool. So this feature comes with very cool update that I think you guys should know, and it's going to make your life easier if you are versed with using WhatsApp web. So I'll start by explaining what WhatsApp web is for those of you that don't actually have the habit of using it. So WhatsApp web is a feature that enables you to use WhatsApp on your computer or a companion device, that is a computer at home, and on your web browser, just connecting it to your computer, enabling to use it from your browser without touching your phone. So you are able to reply to messages, type to messages, have conversation with friends directly from your computer while connected to your Android phone. So there's one limitation to this WhatsApp web, is that your phone must be online for you to use it on your computer or your companion device. But WhatsApp web multi-device beta, the multi-device beta comes with a solution to this problem. So this feature is very great in the sense that it will allow you to use up to 4 devices, that is 4 additional companion devices, all connected to one phone. And while using these 4 devices, your phone won't need to be online for you to actually chat with friends from your WhatsApp web, from your desktop or portal. So that is a very great update to this WhatsApp web, because it was one of the greatest limitation, that your phone must be online for you to use WhatsApp web on your companion device or on your computer. Now let us talk about what you need to be eligible for this. So the only thing that you need to be eligible for this is that you have to be using the latest version of either WhatsApp or WhatsApp web. So to know if you are running the latest version of WhatsApp, you can check it from Play Store and make an update if you're not using the latest version, and quickly come to this session and join the beta version. Beta means it's still in progression, so that's still working it out and it's going to be released very soon, and you have the ability to test this feature before it is being brought out to the public. So that is why beta is still attached to the multi-device feature. Okay, so let us look at some of the note you should note about this feature. So the first you should note about this feature is that you are going to be able to use 4 companion devices at once, but we only have one WhatsApp account connected to your Android device. So that's a note you should all note. So you are going to be able to use 4 companion devices at once, but you are only going to be able to use one phone connected to your WhatsApp account. Another thing you should note is that this feature will work only if you are using the latest version. I think I already said that. So you must be using the latest version of WhatsApp or WhatsApp web to be able to use this feature on your Android device. And now let us talk about the limitation, the cons of this feature. So one of the major cons of this is that you won't be able to make call or video calls from your computer. That is, you won't be able, if you are using WhatsApp web, you won't be able to make a call. For example, yes, WhatsApp web, you won't be able to make a call from this browser or a video call. So that is one of the greatest limitations. On my own case, I don't know if it's the same with you. That thing that won't be good with this new feature, that you won't be able to integrate groups. So that is that you won't be able to integrate groups, like let us say you have a group link, to click on the group link and integrate a group won't be possible with WhatsApp web from your portal device. So you need to have your phone. And one thing that is actually clear, that you will still need to link your phone with your computer in order to connect it. And for this feature, if your phone is actually offline for the next 14 days, you will need to relink it back. So if you keep your phone offline while using WhatsApp web on any of your 4 companion devices and your phone remains offline for the next 14 days, you will need to relink it with your companion devices. Another So you can actually check the Q&A section of WhatsApp to have a lot of notes about this feature. As I said, you can check out these are the unsupported features, and you won't be able to pin chat on WhatsApp web or on your desktop. I already said that. So, and another thing is that if you're messaging somebody that is using the old version of WhatsApp multi-device, the person won't have the ability to actually receive that message. So to use this feature, your recipient or the person receiving a message must be using the latest version of WhatsApp multi-device link. So he also must be using the multi-device link also. So that is that about this. And as I said, also for those of us using WhatsApp web, as for example I'm using WhatsApp web, you won't be able to edit business names and labels from WhatsApp web or on your desktop. So I think that is all about the pros and cons. You can check the Q&A section of WhatsApp to actually have everything about what this feature said, but I think I said everything, so you can see this or what I said. As I said, you can use WhatsApp web on 4 concurrent devices, but can only have one phone connected to your WhatsApp account at a time. So if you're using this WhatsApp web, make sure you have only one phone connected to your WhatsApp account. You shouldn't have another phone that is using the same WhatsApp account as the one of your primary account. It won't work for you, and you will still need to register, as I already said this. So everything on this page I already said, as I said, to be eligible you don't need to be using the latest version of WhatsApp. So let me hear what you think about this feature in the comment section. But my personal opinion, I will say this is a great feature just for the fact that it allows you to use WhatsApp web on your computer and desktop without having your phone to be connected online. Makes it very, very great and very, very easy to use. So we hope WhatsApp is going to consider some of the cons to reduce them to make it advantageous for us. So that is all about this video, and I think I'm going to stop here today. But before I stop, a little reminder: we have noticed that most of our viewers are not subscribed, so we beg your pardon. If it's our first submission, click on the subscribe button to stay tuned with our latest hacks and tips on IQcodec. So when you subscribe, actually encourages us to keep doing good content, and please let me know what you would love us to do in our next video tutorial. So let me see you in the comment section. I am Fabrice, and I was a video presenter of the day. Ciao, have a nice day, peace.